Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this outfit for a graffiti street theme and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, for the hairstyles, you can choose this one and then you're going to color it with this purple color and select this hat and you're going to remove the ears and then you're going to select this color. This is for the color code and use this choker and this bandage. For the bandage, you can choose left cross, right, and nose. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to this shirt area or the top area. And then I'm going to select this one, this shirt, and I'm going to color it with this green color. Okay, the next one, I'm going to put on this shoes, and then I'm going to move to this area, and I'm going to choose this mesh. Okay, and then I'm going to select this item as well, and choose this belt right here. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this jeans area. It's right here, and then I'm going to choose this jeans. Okay, and then I'm going to remove the flower, and for the pattern you're going to apply the star pattern. Okay, and the next one I'm going to go to this area, then I'm going to choose this belt. Okay, and also this one as well, but I'm going to make it this color. Wait, I'm going to go to the color code and I'm going to make it this color or this one. Okay, I prefer this one. All right, and then I'm going to go to this area and select this bag, and then I'm going to make it black color for the first selection and also for the next selection. All right, and then I'm going to go back to the accessories area and I'm going to choose the skateboard. Okay, and then I'm going to color it like this. Okay guys, you can make it this color. For the first selection, you're going to color it with this red color and red color for the second selection, and select this purple and white and then this black color, and for the last one I'm just going to make it black. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this graffiti street outfit theme and dress to impress. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this graffiti street outfit and dress to impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.